Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Bonnie's Fluid Creations Art, and I want to wish everybody in the United States a happy Independence Day, our 4th of July. And I am going to do a firework. So, in the meantime, let me show you this. This was from video 73. If you wanted to go back and watch that real quick. It's not a very long video. This is where I used the Porage Posse Juniper Shimmer as my pillow. And I had several color shift paints in that. So I wanted to show you this after it was varnished. It's really got a beautiful color shift, and I don't know if that's coming through on this camera or not, but it's gorgeous. I love it. And even though the lacing wasn't everywhere, I think it's just stunning because of this color shift. So anyway, there you go. I am going to be doing another bloom on an 8-inch round. And I actually do have the back of it already prepped. This is how I prep my back. So I do the press and seal down in the center, and then I tape the edges. And I end up with a nice clean back. And you can just, after it's resined or varnished, you just pull the tape off and everything's beautifully clean. And as you can tell, I always sign the back. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to get my sides painted and get my TLPs all mixed up. And I think for this bloom, because we're going to be doing some fireworks, I'm going to be using as my pillow paint Twilight Pearl. So that is going to be our pillow. Okay, let me get set up. I'll be right back. Okay, everybody. This is actually a 6-inch round that I'm pouring on. And let's get going on some colors here. This is Amsterdam. Turquoise green. And I don't know if I'm putting too much color down there or not. I think I want to put some of the TLP velvet on that. All right, now this is Amsterdam. No, let's not put Amsterdam down next. Let's do the TLP Hustle. Hustle. That should look pretty for a firework, because baby, you're a firework. And on top of that, I'm going to put some TLP Techno. Techno. Oh yeah, that's bright. I like that. So then I'm going to put a little bit of the Amsterdam Reflex Rose, and this has been mixed with a little bit of TLP Fairy Floss. So that's going to give it kind of a beautiful property to it. And then let's put some orange down. Let's get some Boogie, TLP Boogie. This might be a lot of paint, but we'll see. Should I put any green on that? Should I? Yeah, let's do a little bit of parakeet. And let's see what kind of firework we get out of this. I think we probably need to use a white cell activator for this because of the dark base, which is, by the way, the Porage Posse Twilight Pearl. That's what I put down as our pillow. Okay. Get back here a little bit. All right, let's see what we're going to get out of this. I don't know. We'll see. Here we go. It's such a powerful blow dryer for such a little thing. Well, we definitely have some color. Does it look like a firework? I did have too much paint on there. Look at all this paint that came off. But that's okay. That's all down the sides, which makes it look really pretty. So let's give it just a minute here. That will be my, what shall I call that? My boogie firework, because that TLP boogie is standing out on this one. Boogie boogie firework. It's very pretty. Okay, should I spin this out? Yes. I'm going to spin all the pretty colors off. That's what's going to happen. All these colors are going to be spinning off. You can hear my puppy. They're starting fireworks outside, so he doesn't get afraid. He barks at them. Here we go. See what we get. I apologize for his barking, but you know how dogs get with fireworks. That's so pretty. I don't know if I want to spin it out anymore. Let me see how much paint's moving. Not really much. We might be good to go with this. Okay, let's pull it up and see what we got. Baby, you're a firework. Pretty. That's what it is. Very pretty. And it's got a little bit of color shift in there. Awesome. Thanks for joining me, and my little puppy says thanks too. Have a great Independence Day. Happy 4th. Hello, I am back, and I am using, this is a 12-inch round. I'm quite certain of it being a 12-inch round, right? Really, it's a 10-inch round, sorry. So, 10-inch round, and let's do a firework, baby. I'm going to put down the Amsterdam turquoise green, and I'm going to put a fair amount of paint down. Since it isn't just one of those tiny little 8-inchers. And then I am going to drizzle around this the TLP velvet, because it's got such a beautiful color shift to it. You can already see that. I don't know if y'all can, but I can see it. Okay. And then let's put some bright colors down. I think we need to put on top of that some TLP Hustle, because it's a firework. And then some Techno. I need to brighten this up. Let's make it sparkle. With some Inferno. A little bit more Inferno. And then on top of that, I'm going through a little bit of the Amsterdam Reflex Rose, and it has some TLP in it. The, what is it? The Fairy Floss, which has some really good, I don't know if the Fairy Floss is a color shift or not. And I think we did. Did we do boogie? No, we didn't do boogie, but we need some boogie on that. Let's boogie it up. Come on back. And I want to put some, what do I want to put on there? Yeah, I think I'm going to put some parakeet on there. That's really pretty a color. Now, did I mention? I think I did. I'm losing my mind. That the pillow base on this, the pillow paint, is Porage Posse Twilight Pearl. So let's see how this goes. I'm going to use a white Celev activator since it's such a dark base. I really, really love my Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet, but I think we need, yeah, let's do it. I've got to do it because I love it. That's just how I am. Okay. And I think I'm going to use my Super Duper. I hope I have enough paint out here. We'll see how it goes. Wish me luck, guys. Here comes our Firework. Wow. You know, this TLP Boogie and with the TLP Inferno, that is just crazy bright, especially against the dark background. What am I going to do with this? I do think I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of that. And then I'll pull some out. Like that. It'll probably all go off. But it's looking pretty cool, I gotta say. Alright, any major boobles? A few of them. Let's get those out of there. We do not need those. And they make it look kind of nasty if you don't get those bubbles out. Okay. It is time to spin. I still have a few tiny ones in there. I think we're good though. Ready? Let's spin this baby out. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Is that looking pretty cool or what? That's my Firework for tonight. Woohoo! I'm going to give it one more spin. We need to pull it off a little bit here. I painted the sides, so the sides actually have paint on it. So what's going to happen is as this drizzles down, it's going to just do some fun stuff to the side. Let's pull this over a little bit and give it one more spin. Wow, that is so cool. Does that look like a firework or what? I'm going to pull it up closer so you can see it. Awesome. Baby, you're a firework. And the sides, see how the sides are dripping? That looks pretty cool too. So yeah, happy Independence Day, everybody. And for our Canadian friends, I hope you all had a great Canada Day. And until next time, thank you for tuning in. Y'all be good and be good to each other. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.